In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and update settings within your Shopify store. Focusing primarily on customizing your checkout options. First off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Head over to the main dashboard where you'll see an array of options and insights related to your store's performance and analytics. To get started, find your way to My Store, which serves as the home base for all your Shopify activities. Once there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Settings icon, typically displayed as a small cogwheel. Click on it. This will open up a menu with numerous categories, each housing different settings for your online store. Now you'll want to locate and select the Checkout option. This section is crucial as it allows you to refine how customers interact with the checkout process on your site. Once inside the checkout settings, the first thing you need to address is the customer information section. Click on this to reveal various fields that are essential during the checkout process. A good checkout experience can significantly influence a customer's decision to finalize their purchase. Therefore, getting these details right is a step you won't want to skip. Moving on, let's look at the full name section. This field is where you'll determine how detailed you want your customers' names to be during checkout. You can set it as optional, required, or hidden, depending on your store's needs. Continuing with personal details, the next setting you'll examine is the company name. Similar to the full name, this option can help you gather additional information about your customers, especially if you're dealing with wholesale buyers or businesses. Decide whether you want this information to be mandatory, optional, or not collected at all. Next, you'll adjust the address line too. This optional setting allows customers to add specific details about their residence or business location, such as an apartment number or unit. Making this field optional provides flexibility for your customers, which can improve satisfaction. Finally, don't forget to configure the shipping address phone number. Collecting phone numbers can make it easier for shipping companies to contact customers if needed. You can choose whether this field should be mandatory or optional. By adjusting these settings, you have the power to create a smoother, more efficient checkout experience for your customers, which can directly impact your sales and customer satisfaction levels. Once you're satisfied with the changes, be sure to save your settings before exiting, ensuring all your hard work is confirmed and active on your store. That's it for today's tutorial on customizing your Shopify checkout settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.